Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini like Siri in Android. First, head over to the Google Play Store and download the Gemini application. Once installed, open the app and follow the on-screen prompts to set it as your default digital assistant. This usually involves a few taps in your phone settings. Make sure to grant all necessary permissions, like microphone access, for Gemini to work seamlessly and respond to your voice commands. Activating Gemini is super easy, giving you several convenient options. The most common way is simply saying, "Hey Google," just like you would with your previous assistant. Gemini will then pop up, ready for your command. You can also long press your phone's power button for a quick shortcut, or simply tap the Gemini app icon on your home screen or in your app drawer to launch it directly. Choose the method that best suits your needs. Gemini can handle a wide range of tasks, making your daily life much simpler. You can ask it anything from "What's the weather like today?" to "Tell me the latest news headlines." It's also fantastic for productivity. Just say "Set an alarm for 7 a.m. or add an event to my calendar." Plus, if you have smart home devices, Gemini can control them with simple voice commands, like "Turn off the living room lights." To truly make Gemini your own, dive into its settings. You can customize its voice, choosing from several options, and even change the language. For a more integrated experience, link Gemini with your other Google services, like Gmail and Maps, allowing it to provide personalized assistance. Don't forget to explore the experimental features section. It often contains exciting new capabilities that are still in development, offering a glimpse into future enhancements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.